Hello friends, and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Here we'll see how to use carousel wallpaper in OnePlus phone. Well, I'm using OnePlus 12 here. Carousel wallpaper means the wallpaper automatically gets updated with newer and dynamic pictures where you don't have to control each and every day which wallpaper to choose. The mobile does it on itself. So how to do that in OnePlus 12? I'm saying it here. Let us see. So what we'll do is simply press here. If you long press here, you can see there is something called home screen settings which will come up in the right hand and bottom side of the screen, on this home screen. Home screen setting, just press here on the setting option and you can see in the last, if you go down, you can see there is something called carousel wallpapers. So simply click on carousel wallpapers and a lot of wallpapers will come up, and you can simply click on some of the papers here. For example, this. You can see all these wallpapers have already been added by me. So if I simply, most probably your screen will come completely vacant here and you need to add. So if I press on add, you can see this paper, it has been added. I'll go back and see, for example, this minimalistic kind of plant. Simply I add together, it will be displayed randomly. Okay, fine, I'll go back. Maybe this vase, it's coming very good. Add. So this is how you can keep on adding your carousel wallpaper. So what happens is, if I go back and if I press this key like this, and if I again press this, you can see this wallpaper is coming. But if I go inside this mobile phone, this is my lock screen wallpaper, but when I go inside this is my actual wallpaper which will be there. But if I simply switch off my phone and simply, like, without unlocking my phone, this kind of random wallpapers will come up. So this is how this carousel wallpaper works. And the thing is, you can have very good pictures on your phone randomly given by, and let me see, yeah, some more wallpapers. So this is quite interesting, and you can also add this kind of wallpapers onto your phone. It is available in OnePlus very much, and I think it is in Redmi, Xiaomi. Just try, and maybe you can comment on the comment box whether your phone has also this kind of features or not. It will be quite interesting for me to know that as well. So friends, that's it. I hope you learned a very good interesting feature of OnePlus phone. So friends, please do like this video and subscribe to the channel to get more of such videos in future. Keep watching infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.